Hi guys, it's Ron. Take tips, tech stuff. How's it going? I'm doing an unboxing today on a selfie stick. I need one from my other channel. If you follow me, you'll know I started a new channel called Just Because. So I need one for that channel to make videos of helping people. So I bought a selfie stick off Amazon, and I'll put links in the description below where you can get this from. It's actually a pretty cool one. Let's do an unboxing here. Comes with instructions as well. I actually had this other box already, so it's a pretty cool selfie stick. It's got Bluetooth right here, so you can operate the phone, turn it on, turn it off. It's got a tripod on the bottom, so you can sit it down. It's pretty handy. Extends quite a ways. So I'll do a shot with the selfie shot to show you how it what it looks like. It's actually a pretty cool selfie stick. Hold any phone. This is the phone hooked up to the selfie stick. This is pretty cool. Looks alright. Gotta get used to it for a bit before I go out in public and start using it. I was using it the other day in public and felt kind of weird walking through the mall with this thing sticking out there and people looking at me, because it felt kind of weird. So I gotta get over that fear of filming myself in public. Because my new channel, that's what it's gonna be all about, filming myself in public, helping people. So like I said, I'll put links in the description below where you can download this, you can buy it off Amazon. And it's very, very affordable. It's pretty cool. It's got Bluetooth on there, which I won't use. I'll just manually start the camera and stop it. But check it out, guys. If you find this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.